Hello everyone. Today I want to introduce a safe TikTok account warm-up process. As you can see on my screen, this is a 14-day TikTok account warm-up workflow that helps turn a newly created account or a recently purchased account into one with a higher level of trust. On the first day, we simply log into the software so the account can start getting familiar with the environment. Things like the network IP, device fingerprint, and system setup. I'll open the software so you can see how it works. This is the main interface of the software. Here you can add accounts without any limit. For better safety and stability, you can also add proxies to increase the trust level of each account. 2. Start warming up the account. Go to Account Interaction. Then click Add Script. At this step, you just need to configure the settings according to the process I mentioned earlier. For example, you can define how long each video should be watched, how many videos the account should scroll through. You can also set up the full 14-day schedule, just like I did here. After that, the system will automatically run the tasks on the following days without needing manual operation. By doing this consistently, your account will gradually gain a certain level of trust, which makes it much more suitable for activities such as seeding, live streaming, messaging, or running affiliate. That's the entire video for today. If you need this process or the software, feel free to contact me via Telegram or WhatsApp.